Hello viewer, welcome back. This is Kausar. Now finally I'm going to unboxing it. Keep watching. Samsung Galaxy A20e, first release May 2019. Now press this side. It will be open. Here I'm going to open it. First check what is this. This is only user manual, nothing else. It's only user manual. I put it here back and keep it separate. This is the phone, Samsung Galaxy A20e. Okay, let's see what's inside into the box. Here is a earphone. Inside there is a 3 button. One is volume up, one volume down, and one receive. Okay, keep it separate. Here is a charger or USB cable. It's like type C. I think you can. Okay, I show you. It's a type C cable. Yes, it's a type C cable. Inside there is a SIM ejector and one fast charger. This is the symbol of fast charging. This is not a casual charger. Using this charger you can make fast charge your phone. Okay, here is showing everything. Output volt 5 volt 2 ampere. Okay, I leave it. This is the phone. Okay, I'm going to turn on it. Samsung Galaxy A20e, secured by Knox. Wait a little for turn on it. Choose your language. There is and press this arrow key. Then press next. Skip for this now. Next. Skip. Accept. Not now because I'm not using any protection. Skip and skip. And this is the last step. Now press finish. Yeah, this is the phone. Take a look. It's curved type. It's like a looking like iPhone X, but not. This is this. Okay, I'm going to setting about phone. Yeah, this is the model and I'm going to show you its Android version is 9. Take a look how is camera quality. Okay, you can show. Yeah, it's zooming good. When I put here an object, it will detect automatically. Autofocus. Yeah, automatic focus. Then when I back it, it will automatic focus this subject again. Okay, go to setting, and video size is 1920 pixel and 1280 pixel. Okay, back. Here is also selfie cam. Yeah, this is the me. It's very clear. It's looking very clear. For selfie user, you can use it. It's very good.